Hi, welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for April 3rd to 6th, featuring the waxing moon and Mars. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. Events are described relative to sunset. Find those times for the month in local sources. The waxing moon approaches and passes Mars during early April. The red planet is high in the south-southwest after sundown. It marches eastward in front of Gemini, near the Twins. On the evening of the 5th, a rare close grouping of Mars, Moon, and Pollux occurs. Mars' brightness continues to fade as our planet pulls away. Earth passed between Mars and the Sun on January 15, when the gap was nearly 60 million miles. The red planet's brightness depends on its distance from the Sun and Earth. Mars is approaching aphelion, the most distant point on its solar orbit on April 16. That distance is 154 million miles from the Sun, nearly 70% more than Earth's average solar distance. During early April, its distance from Earth is over 110 million miles. Those distance combinations place it as one of the brighter bodies in the sky tonight. Mars is nearly twice as bright as Pollux, the 12th brightest star visible from the mid-northern latitudes, to its upper right, and 85% as bright as Procyon, the 6th brightest, nearly 20 degrees below it. Sirius, the night's brightest star, is below Mars and Procyon, about 20 degrees above southwest horizon. It is over 6 times brighter than Mars. Jupiter, less than halfway up in the western sky after sundown, outshines all the stars and planets this evening. During these 4 evenings, the moon waxes through the first quarter phase and shows a waxing gibbous phase. Here's what to see an hour after sunset. April 3rd, the thick waxing crescent phase, 38% illuminated, is high in the west-southwest, nearly midway from Jupiter to Mars. April 4th, the evening half-full moon, first quarter, is high in the southwest, over 10 degrees to Mars right. The red planet is 4.3 degrees to Pollux lower left. April 5th, the night of the Mars-Moon conjunction. The slightly gibbous moon, 60% illuminated, is high in the south-southwest, 3.3 degrees to Mars upper left and 5.2 degrees from Pollux. Mars, Moon, and Pollux fit into a circle 5.5 degrees in diameter and easily into the same binocular field. A gathering of these 3 bodies at this distance is a rare event. The next time these 3 fit into the same binocular field, although with a tight fit, is May 9, 2038. On that evening, Jupiter is in the same view and it is occulted by the moon for sky watchers in the Americas. April 6, the bright gibbous moon, 70% illuminated, is high in the south-southeast, over 15 degrees to Mars left. The red planet is 4.7 degrees to Pollux's lower left. During the next few evenings, the moon appears farther eastward as the phase grows. Beginning on the 7th, the lunar orb starts 3 nights in front of Leo. Mars marches farther eastward. On April 10, it crosses an imaginary line that begins at Castor and extends through Pollux. Watch the dynamic solar system in action. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.